Welcome. This video explains how to adjust the side mirrors on a Skoda Fabia III 2014-2021. Proper mirror adjustment is crucial for safe driving by eliminating blind spots. We'll cover both manual and electronic adjustments, as well as folding features. The mirror switch is located on the driver's side door panel. This is the central control for adjusting your side mirrors. Here is the mirror switch, featuring a joystick-style lever and selection buttons. The controls allow you to choose which mirror to adjust and how to position it. The joystick lever allows directional movement to tilt the mirror up, down, left, or right. Push the lever in the direction you want the mirror to move. The L and R buttons select which mirror to adjust, left or right. Press L for the left mirror or R for the right mirror before using the joystick. The folding function button allows you to fold the mirrors electronically for protection or to reduce wind resistance. This is typically located near the selection buttons. Understanding these controls is essential for proper mirror adjustment. The switch connects to the mirrors, allowing precise positioning for optimal visibility. To manually adjust your mirrors, first select the mirror you want to adjust using L for left or R for right on the switch. Then use the joystick lever on the door panel to tilt the selected mirror up, down, left, or right until you get the proper view. For the left mirror, adjust it to see the lane beside your car and eliminate blind spots. For the right mirror, adjust it to capture traffic approaching from behind. Always make these adjustments from your normal driving position, with your seatbelt fastened to ensure optimal visibility. If your Fabia III has electronic folding mirrors, press the mirror switch inward to fold or unfold them. Alternatively, use the button on your key fob to control the mirrors remotely. Electronic folding mirrors are useful in narrow parking spaces, help prevent damage from impacts, and reduce theft risk by folding away. Note: mirror recalibration may be required after a battery replacement due to power loss. If your mirrors aren't adjusting, check the fuse box for blown fuses related to the mirror control module. Low battery voltage can also cause electronic folding failures, especially in older models. Consider getting a diagnostic check via OBD2 tools for module issues. Blind spots are dangerous areas around your vehicle that cannot be seen through your mirrors or by looking directly ahead. These hidden zones can conceal other vehicles, especially during lane changes, increasing the risk of accidents. Proper mirror adjustment is crucial for eliminating blind spots. Position your left mirror to just show the edge of your own vehicle and the adjacent lane, while the right mirror should capture traffic approaching from behind without overlapping your direct view. The importance of eliminating blind spots cannot be overstated. Studies from the UK Department for Transport show that 12% of reported accidents involve blind spots. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, proper mirror adjustment can reduce lane change accidents by up to 25%. To ensure ongoing safety, automotive experts like those from the Royal Automobile Club recommend regular professional mirror calibration during routine servicing. Take mirror adjustments seriously to protect yourself and others on the road. The Skoda Fabia III comes with a standard mirror system, but owners can enhance it with aftermarket upgrades like auto-dimming or blind spot monitoring kits. Auto-dimming mirrors automatically darken to reduce glare from following vehicles' headlights, improving night driving safety. Blind spot monitoring kits use sensors to detect vehicles in your blind spots and alert you with visual or audio warnings, reducing the risk of lane change accidents. These aftermarket systems connect to the vehicle's controller area network, or CAN bus, allowing them to communicate with existing car systems for seamless operation. While the Fabia III won't receive official updates, owners can install these retrofit kits to modernize their mirror systems for better safety and convenience. The future of mirror technology is trending toward automated and camera-based systems that integrate with advanced driver assistance systems. These systems can auto-adjust mirrors based on vehicle speed, provide blind spot monitoring, and even use cameras to create virtual mirrors for better aerodynamics. While the Skoda Fabia III won't receive these advancements as it nears end of life, understanding the basics of mirror adjustment ensures safe driving today. Remember to adjust your mirrors regularly while seated in the driving position, and consult your owner's manual for specific details about your vehicle. Thanks for watching.